Good morning. It's Talk Thursday, and you wonder what time it is. It's early morning, the sun is beginning to rise, and sometimes you have to get up and just brave the elements and go for a walk to de-stress. The holidays sometimes can be stressful. Sometimes there are things going on in life that you just need to take a day. Sometimes you just need to get out in nature. Um, it's 33 degrees where I'm at in Southwest Georgia this morning, and it's such a soothing look. In the background, I hear roosters crowing. Um, there's been some birds I've heard along my walk this morning, but just getting outside and breathing in this good, fresh, clean air can help you get your day started. It's important that we get out and take a walk in nature because it is one of the best de-stressors. Um, it's the little things in life. The the pine cones can be the acorns that we find along the way. It might be sometimes some of the little critters we might see, but I've not seen any today, so no fear of that. But it's just so peaceful and calm here, and watching the mist rise across the water, it's just amazing. Um, it sort of will take your breath away. And I'm thankful for opportunity like this to be able to view from time to time, and it will help my day go even better because, we all go through stressful times, and this is one great way to de-stress is take a walk and just enjoy nature, the sights and the sounds, no matter the chill factor in the air or whether it's hot. But this morning it's a little chilly, but it feels really good. It's a little nippy. So soak it all in, and you'll be glad you did. You can tell the sun is coming up. You see the reflection. It's very peaceful and calming. I pray you have the best day ever. And remember, let's learn to be a little less stressed. Life is so much better that way. Take time to meditate, take time to pray, take time to take a walk in nature. It'll make your day be the best it will ever be. This is Talk Thursday, and I am Debra Cox. Until we meet again, have a blessed day.